The available parking sensor system helps enhance driver awareness by detecting objects close to the vehicle while parking. The parking sensor system button is located to the left of the steering column. Press the button to turn the system on or off. There are sensors in all four corners of the vehicle that can detect objects within about 24 inches in the front and 32 inches in the rear. A rear center sensor can detect objects within about 43 inches. The system operates at speeds below 5 miles per hour. When in reverse, front indicators appear in the upper right corner and rear indicators along the bottom of the screen. Visual and audible alerts are issued when objects are detected. When the rear center sensors detect objects between 43 and 32 inches from the vehicle, the indicator turns yellow and a moderate beeping occurs. When any sensor detects an object within 32 to 22 inches, the indicators turn amber and the beeping becomes more rapid. Objects between 22 and 18 inches trigger an even quicker beeping. And when objects are 18 inches or less from the sensors, the beeping becomes a continuous tone, the indicators turn red, and a warning message appears on the screen. When towing a trailer, it might be desirable to turn the rear sensors off. To do so, make sure the ignition is off. Press and hold the parking sensor button and turn the ignition on. Keep holding the parking sensor button for about 10 seconds and release it when the button blinks. A beeper will then sound. Press the button again and its indicator will go off. The rear sensors will then be turned off. To turn the rear sensors back on, repeat this procedure. The parking sensor system may not sense all objects, especially those that are quite thin or positioned very low. And the system may not work properly in excessively hot or cold weather, when the sensors are covered by mud, dirt, or snow, or when the vehicle is on an uneven surface. And the system can be affected by devices that emit ultrasonic waves.